Hey guys, it's Miss McLean, and today we're going to be doing more second grade math facts, so grab your notebooks and let's get into it.
Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing some math problems. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button down. Okay guys, so our first one is 99 plus 2. I think that's kind of easy for some of you guys. But if it isn't, it's okay. So 99, we're just counting 4. So that will be 101. So 1 right here, 0, and then 1. That's easy. The next one is 77 plus 5. That's kind of tricky, but I think you guys got it. So we're just counting 4 again, which would be 78, 79, 79, 80, 81, 82. So the next one is 14 plus 82. So we're kind of not counting 4 on this one. This one might be hard for some of you guys. So I'm going to do it the way that I started learning how to do these equations. So first we're taking this number and adding it with this number, which will be 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. So that'll be 96. Simple. Then the next one is 6 plus 13. It might be a little tricky for you guys, but not tricky for me that much. So 6 and we're adding it with 3. We're counting 4 on this one. So we have 13. We have 13. We're adding 6 more. If this one is hard for you guys, I might just do tally marks. So first we made 13 tally marks.
Well, another way you can do this is add the 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3?
6 plus 3? 9.
9. So write the 9 in the ones place, and then you're going to bring down the what? What's 1 plus 0?
1.
Good. So write the 9 in the ones place, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So that's an easier way to do it than making a whole bunch of tally marks. You add what's in the ones place, and then you add what's in the tens place. Don't get tricked because you see the bigger number at the bottom. Addition and multiplication are what we consider as inverse properties. So meaning we can flip-flop those problems and we will still get the same answer. Whereas when we do subtraction, we can't flip-flop those answers and get the same answer. Same with division, we can't flip-flop those either. Okay, moving on to number 5.
Okay, so number 5 is 652 plus 113. This one's pretty tricky for some of you guys.
Also,
and by the way, these are second grade.
Also, get out the habit of saying N13. When we're speaking of just whole numbers, we don't want to say the word N because N makes it seem like we're using a decimal. So when you have 652 plus 113, just say it just like that, 113. Don't say 113 because if I was speaking those numbers out and giving it to somebody to write down, they might think that because I say N, that I'm supposed to put a decimal right there. Okay? So just say 113. Okay?
Okay. So we're taking this number and this number. Together that will be 5. And 5 plus 3 equals
5 plus 1.
And then 1 equals 6. And this marker's kind of dried out. Okay, and 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So simple. Is 7 is 700. 765.
Good, very good. Okay.
Our next one is 742.
Plus 42.
Plus 42. So we're going to take this number, add it with this number, which will be 2. So now we're taking this number and adding it with this number, which will be 4. And 7 plus 0 equals 7. So that simple is 742.
Very good.
Now this one is pretty tricky, but it's pretty easy at the same time. So we're saying 3 minus 2, which will be, you guys will say, I don't know, but it's actually 1. And then 8 minus 2 equals, that's right, 6. So 61. And our last one is pretty easy. So we're taking this number, putting it together. You guys know what that is? No, you guys don't. So this one is pretty easy for me.
So a trick that I was just showing MK with dealing with 9s is that whenever you have a 9 number added to whatever number, single digit number, you can go down that second number and just add a 1 to it. So for example, 9 plus 8, if I go one number below 8, I write the 7 and I just add a 1 to it. If I have 9 plus 6, I go down one number from 6 and I add a number and I add a 1 to it. Good. 9 plus 4, same thing. I go down one number from 4, which is 3, and I just add a 1. This is only we're working with 9s. 9 plus 2, one number that's less than 2 is 1, and then I add a 1. 9 plus 7, I go one number down from 7, which is 6, and I add a 1. Okay, 9 plus 6, I go down one number from 6, and I add a 1, which is 15. Okay, so that's just a quick way to do 9. Okay, guys, so that's all we have for you today. Until next time, remember to keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Till next time, bye.